channel. On this video I'm doing a Smash or Pass Rappers edition. So the first one is G Herbo. I'll pass on G Herbo. I don't really have no reason. It's just, I don't know. I'm just passing. He's attractive, but he's not, I don't know. I'll just pass. The second one is Lil Uzi. Pass. Big pass. First of all, he's very short, and all them tattoos all over his face is not my thing. So, and I think he have a lot of piercings too, right? Yeah, I'm just passing on him. So the third person is T.I. Now, I'll smash T.I. T.I. is cute. Definitely smash T.I. The fourth person, Young Thug. Nah. Like, Lil Uzi and Young Thug give me the same feeling, like, no. The fifth person is Bow Wow. So Bow Wow. Bow Wow is very attractive, but I wouldn't smash Bow Wow. Not because you're attractive. Like, I'm not gonna smash you. You're not my type. And I feel like Bow Wow is a person that do too much sometimes. So he's cute and all, but nah. The next person is Wale. Ooh, Wale is a cutie though. Wale, ooh, ain't he African? He is, right? I think he's African. Yeah. Let me see. Wale he's fine. With them dreads. Oh yeah. I'll smash Wale. Oh, his name is long, bro. Oh, his name is Alo Bowe. I can't. His name is Alubowale. Victor Akintemi. Oh, yeah. I'm just stop while I'm at it because I cannot pronounce that. Alright, yeah, Wale is getting a smash. You know what I'm saying? Period. The next person is Kendrick Lamar. I'm gonna pass on Kendrick Lamar. And nah. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on Kendrick Lamar. Wait, hold on, wait, hold on. Let me see, hold on. Nah, he gonna get a smash. He's not. I don't like when his hair is out, I guess. That's why I was like, he's getting a pass. But he look good with his hair done, so I'm gonna give him a smash. I'm gonna give him a smash. The next person is Chris Breezy. You know Chris Brown getting this smash already, like Chris Brown is definitely getting smashed. Even though he's toxic, but he gonna get smashed. Like, who would want to smash Chris Brown? I do. The next person is 50 Cent. See, 50 Cent used to be my favorite rapper back in the day, along with LL Cool J. But 50 Cent, I don't like how 50 Cent act right now, so I don't think I'll smash him. I'm not gonna smash him. I'm gonna just, he's too petty for me, and I'm petty. We both can be petty, else, like, no, I'm not gonna. What am I talking about? I'm just talking about smashing right now. But yeah, no, I'm not smashing. Yeah, 50 Cent is too much. Next person is Nelly. Ooh, I'm gonna smash Nelly. Nelly's getting smashed. Nelly still got a body too. Like, I think he's in his 40s, right? Nelly's in his 40s. I'm pretty sure Nelly's in his 40s. Let's see. Nelly. Nelly is 46. What? And he looks, oh, black don't crack. Oh, yes. I didn't even know he was that old. Did y'all know that? Because I didn't know that. I mean, I knew he was in his 40s. I don't think I knew that he was like close to 50. I did not know that. The next person is Ludacris. Would I smash Ludacris? Back in the day, Ludacris was cute with his braids and stuff. Ludacris is 43. Okay. I'll smash Ludacris. Ludacris is cute. He's cute. I wanna. That's usually my song. Okay. Next person is LL Cool J. What he do, boo? Yeah, that was my favorite rapper back in the day when I was in middle school. He used to have his posters and stuff. I met him one time too in Queens when I used to live in Queens. I was so starstruck when I met LL Cool J. But yeah, LL Cool J is fine to this day. Gosh, I love that man. He's my husband from middle school till now. He's still my husband, right? Okay, let's see how old is LL Cool J. LL Cool J is 53 years old. Oh my god, and he still looks so good. I love him. I love him. Doing it and doing it and doing it wow. Doing it and doing it and doing it wow. I represent Queens. She was raised out in Brooklyn. I'm sorry, I'm not from Brooklyn because I'm not from Brooklyn. I'm from Queens. So, but I just like that song though. Next person is Wiz Khalifa. You see, with Wiz Khalifa now. Wiz Khalifa too maga. Like, he too skinny. Like, he maga bad. He maga bad. But yo, his smile though, his smile just lights up. He got a bright ass smile. He's not bad looking. He's just too skinny. So I think I'm gonna pass. Yeah, I'm gonna go pass on Wiz Khalifa. Alright, the next person is Dave East. Ooh. Dave East is a cutie. What? I like his eyes. He got a nice smile too. So he getting smashed. You know what I'm saying? He's getting smashed. Definitely getting smashed. He's fine. Even though he got tattoos on his face, but he's fine. Like, that man's fine. You know what I'm saying? He looks so good. He looks so yummy. He looks yummy. You know what I'm saying? He looks yummy. But yeah, he looks good though. I like his smile. He got a lot of tattoos, but he's handsome. One handsome black man. Alright, the next person is Blueface. Pass on him. I'm not even going to just pass. Just because pass. He do too much. He's another one. Like, do too much for attention. Pass on him. Future. Future. Oh, Jesus, Future. Future is toxic as F. So, I would smash Future. I ain't gonna lie, I would smash Future. He's cute. Plus he got dreads. Alright, the next person is Young Blue. That's his name, Young Blue. Did I say it right? Young Blue. Oh, this guy that sing that song that I like. I just like that one song that he sang. If I ever get better in time. Okay, yeah, that's all. Tyga. Would I smash Tyga? Damn, I gotta think about it so hard. I think I wouldn't. He's not bad looking. He's not. I'll smash Tyga. Okay. The next person is J. Cole. J. Cole getting smashed. Ain't nothing to think about. J. Cole is fine. Okay, that man is fine. The next person is Big Sean. Big Sean is fine. Okay, chocolate, dark skin, black man. He's fine. So he getting smashed. The other person is Chance the Rapper. Ooh. I like Chance the Rapper. He's just so humble. Like, I like guys like that. Low-key, be chill. Don't do too much. Most people that be seeking for attention, I don't like. Y'all do too much. So Chance the Rapper is so humble. I like him. So he definitely gonna get smashed. The next person is 2 Chainz. Nope. Pass. The next person is Fabulous. I've liked Fabulous since he had the chip tooth, so he could definitely. The other one is Bobby Shmurda. No, I wouldn't smash Bobby Shmurda. The next person is Roddy Ricch. Roddy Ricch is cute, so I'm gonna smash Roddy Ricch. The other person is Moneybagg Yo. He too hood. He just. I know Dave East is hood, but he just looked too hood. You know what I'm saying? I don't give none of that. I don't find him attractive. I don't find him attractive. So yeah. The next person is Drizzy. Listen, Drake is like my favorite rapper. So Drake is getting smashed. I know he's light skinned or whatever, but they be like light skinned men do too much. I don't feel like Drake do too much. They say Drake do too much. I don't feel like he do. But he getting smashed, and that's just that. Okay, whether you like it or not. All right. Other person is Meek Mill. No. Other person is 21 Savage. 21 Savage. No. The other person is Lil Baby. Lil Baby is funny too. I saw the video yesterday or the other day when he was working out. That man do 2 squats and and when he was stretching, that was funny. But I don't find him attractive. So yeah. And the other person is The Baby. The Baby is cute, and he smiled. Got a bright ass smile too. So I think I'll smash it. Lil Wayne, pass. Travis Scott. Would I smash Travis Scott? Yeah, I could get smashed. Smash or pass. A Boogie. Pass. Lil Durk. Smash. Lil Durk is so handsome. Smash or pass. Offset. Pass. Quavo. I think I'll smash Quavo. Yeah. Young Boy NBA. Pass. The last person I have is Lil TJ. I'm gonna pass. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.